Hi, my name is Lady. My task final of language for and function and term and derivation. And derivation is a count of the word agilement and procedures which allow different languages to designate related concepts. Additional semantica in me are they considered as primitive that to say that the derivation and from and word etymology and speaking they are derivation morpheme that tend to be closer to the role of reflexive morpheme and derivation. An example an adjective, an affix, and noun. An adjectives delicate, affix ACG, and noun delication, and social adjective social, and affix EAEST, and socialist, and similar adjective the similar, the affix EATG, and no similarity, and the adjective true, and affix TH, and no truth, and the cynic, and affix A is M, and no cynicism, an adjective arrogant, an affix anti, and no arrogance. For example, some examples of English derivation morphemes. An easy, a noun, an adjective, alcoholic, an ansi verb, a noun, clearance, an edgy, an adjective, and adverb, and exactly, and enably, and verb the adjective read, and readably. In in adjective the adjective definitive and definitive. Thank you very much.